Commentary function. If you do not know the answer to a question, you can click on the commentary symbol. The correct answer will be marked green. You will also find an explanation. Statistics function. A very helpful function will be shown when you click on the statistics symbol. When you click on this symbol, you will be shown statistics about your learning success up until now. At the top, you can see a total score of your progress. Below that, the individual topics are listed. You therefore have very detailed statistics on how many questions you have answered in total or in individual topics, and how many of them were answered correctly. Reset statistics. You can not only view your statistics, but you also have the option to reset the statistics for all or individual topics. You can do this by clicking on the red Reset button. If you press the Reset button in the Total Score area, all your statistics will be deleted. Select a particular topic to see an overview of the individual questions that have been answered. Then click on the question that interests you and you will see your answers again. Full version. If you want to download all tutorials, click on the download symbol on the start page. You will then see a screen with the various categories. On the top right-hand side, you will also find a choice of languages. Clicking on a particular category will download the questions onto your device. Select a category and then click on Start. As all questions are available in the full version, you will be asked on the following screen to enter your user ID and password that you received after purchasing. You can then click on the Login button. What to do if you do not have login details. If you do not have any login details, you have two options. You can purchase the box product together with the 3D simulator in a store, or purchase the product online by clicking on No Login Details. Order them here. Once you have successfully logged in, the full version with all questions will be available to you.